Hi, Essie. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Say good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing with the dog?
Oh, where are you going? You tell to the vlog.
Elevators.
Where are we going?
For the elevator race.
What?
The race.
Anong race? We're going to jogging.
We're going to have a race.
We are here with Ma'am Lynn.
Who's in the race?
Me.
You say hi.
Me.
Yun pala, we're going to race. Oh my.
We're on the way to Vermosa. We're going to walking. Because we have a company with Essie.
Yeah, just walk.
Just walking.
Walang run.
Punta natin lakad na punta kay McDonald's. So.
Ang
There's
ganda.
Jollibee also.
Nako, Essie. Ma'am Lynn, bakit mo agad Ma'am Lynn.
Nakikita ba? Nandun ba yung sa loob?
Opo.
Ang hirap mo na.
Dito na kami sa Vermosa. We're here with Ma'am Lynn, walking. Naglakad lang kami galing sa bahay papunta dito.
Sobrang exercise.
Tamang walking kasama si Essie. Very good si Essie. Diba? Nag-walk si Essie. Good job.
100 times.
100 times.
100 times. Yeah, more than 100 steps.
Ayan. Wala pang katao-tao. Ayan yung tsura dito. Ang cute ng dog. Yes, the dog also have a diaper.
Just like the baby me.
Yes. Do you also use diaper?
No.
No. You're not a baby anymore. Yes.
This is a playground. I want to play with this. I want to play with the playground.
Okay, nakita ka niya na yung playground. Go. Slowly lang, slowly.
Okay. Give me the shot. Where's mommy? Hey, mommy, let's go.
Essie, only you, ha?
Come here.
Maganda siya kasi malambot.
Yes. No. Don't touch that one. It's not yours. It's not yours. Ano? Gagawin mo siya. Stop guys. May activity sila sa school.
What? This one first? Need to touch it?
And then stretch.
How many times we'll have to do this? Oh, let's
100
count.
times.
100 times, not 100 times. I cannot do it.
8 times.
Eight.
I cannot reach the
Eight
other
times.
side.
Eight times
lang.
daw.
How many now? You count. 1, 2. I cannot reach. Ah, it's like this now. 1.
You count.
You count with me. You're not counting.
1,
1, 2 feet at the back.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Eight.
Ganito na.
Ano na?
Ito.
Ito na. Yeah, that's ito na to.
I'm tired now.
Ako tayo ka na.
Hey, what?
I'm tired now.
Dito kasi.
I can figure out.
Ha?
Circle like this. And jump.
Okay, you go around. Walk around ha, I'll get busy.
This.
This.
Just like that. Like this.
Punch again.
And then ganito.
Ang ganito.
Kailangan iikot.
Ano ba next? Dot.
Just trying to
Oh, what will you do?
Okay,
Soap?
first, the soap. Press the black button and then you can
Water.
start doing. Okay, I'm rinsing my hands now. Rinse well. Yes, rub, rub, rub. And then shake it there. Gently shake it. And don't
Okay.
dry here. Both hands.
Ah!
Is it dry? Go, the other.
You like it?
Is it good?
You don't need a towel, right? You buy like that for your house.
That's making so cool.
Oh, are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Oh, what will you say?
It's so cool down.
Like and subscribe.
What?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Did you tell Ma'am Lynn?
What is that?
What did you tell? Tell in the video. What did you tell?
I don't understand.
What did you tell?
It's a jelly.
What? Why? Why you want?
Here.
Because he's so young.
It's a...
What are we going to do there? Ano ba yun? Hindi ko naman alam yun. Oh, be careful. Wait, I will buy this first. Wait lang, I will buy this. This one, no? I want to buy this. I will buy this. You want me to buy this one? This is expensive. It's okay, we can buy.
Just buy
Ah, what is it? Oh, you want me to buy the toy one? Oh no, I said I will buy this one here. Oh, there. Yes, you can pick one. You like one? Come on, pick one. I will buy for you.
that one.
Yes, you pick one.
That's stealing. I'm gonna eat your face like just a monster.
Oh, go
No,
here.
that's for,
We're gonna
ano,
show
those
Tito
are mini
Michael
store.
the ano,
Okay.
mini truck.
You can put up a business there, see? You can have like the pick up coffee. You see, there's just rural bites. Oh, I don't know what they're selling. Oh, there's Munch. Korean Fifth Street. Oh, this street is the Korean Fifth Street. Where's the Jollibee here? There's no, it's closed pa. Oh, wala, Jollibee. Pick up coffee, there is all. Pick up coffee, Jeep-Jeepan, Perfecto. Oh, you see? One by one.
Ang daming food stall. Ayan, sa gabi. Open siya. Food stall.
Yes.
Loner ang bata. Why are you sad? Go eat. Dip mo yung fries sa ice cream.
That's the new uso. How to dip the fries.
Ayan, nakasakay kami sa truck. Thank you po kuya sa pagpasakay ng truck. Nakita kami ni kuya ang naglalakad. Ayan.
Yeah, so there, oh. Bakit yung mga color?
Kuya, dapat pwede siya punta sa truck. truck.
Who's Kuya Jobel?
Kuya Japet.
Who's Jobel nga?
Tapos the church.
Sa church. Look at there are many goats, so.
Kuya Japet can't go in the truck.
Galing ng goats, so uwi na sila, pero wala naman nagpapauwi sa kanila. Galing, no?
Nainita na sila.
Pagkatapos nila umani, parang yung mami nila, let's go home. Diba? Oo. Ayan sila, ayan o. Umuwi sila on their own without no one. See, they know their house. Oh, see? Oh. Galing nga mga kambing. Umuwi sila kahit di sila inano. Kahit di sila pinapauwi. Diba? Oh, then they're selling.
Tuwang-tuwa si Ezzy. First time niyang sumakay ng truck.
How do you feel like
Yay! No, Ezzy. It's so good.
You ask the driver, can I drive for a moment? You ask.
No. You don't know, no?
Sabihin mo kay Kuya, thank you Kuya for letting me ride.
You are so generous, Kuya.
I can see the mirror.
Sabi mo kay Kuya, Kuya, you are so kind.
I'm so kind.
Yes. Kung hindi, hingal-hingal ka na maglakad, Ezzy.
Galit si Papa dito.
Sa loob-loob niya, kawawa naman. Naglalakad ang init. Ano? Nire-relocate na yan, ma'am. Ano? Ayan, nakapatag na yung dulo. Oh. Ayun. Ezzy, slowly lang. Psst, wait mo kami.
Mahulog ka dyan, ah!
Psst. Ezzy, may dog dyan, may dog.
Madulas ka sa rock.
O diba, konting lakad na lang tayo.
Slide down ka pababa talaga. Oh.
Go, let's go.
Hawak mo ko.
Okay, you're scared?
I can hawak this.
Okay, very good, thank you.
Just helping everyone.
You're helping me and then I'm helping you too.
Ayun, hindi ako takot.
Kaya hindi ko umakyat mag-isa.
Tapos binigay na yung tumbler.
Takot ka madulas.
Tabi lang ha. May motor.